Hey guys, welcome back. And this is how to unenroll from Google Classroom in mobile. So first thing is just simply open up the Google Classroom application into your device. And now here on your Google Classroom, first thing is just simply go ahead and join a classroom. And you should be able to see here all of the list of your classroom. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the classroom over here. And now you will have a pop-up window showed up. And just simply select unenroll over here. So tap on that and you will have a pop-up message over here that by doing this, you will no longer be able to see the class or participate in it. So from here, just simply go ahead and select unenroll to confirm the unenrollment and just simply wait for it to load up. And from there, you should be able to unenroll from Google Classroom in mobile. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching. See ya!